This is grade 3, unit 1. Poem is Robin. Robin is a bird. This is Robin. Robin is a beautiful bird who loves to sing all the time. This bird is a symbol of positivity and hope. Let's know the Urdu words meaning first. Robin, लाल चिड़िया, सुनहरी सीने वाली चिड़िया. सीजन, मौसम. लीव्स फॉल, पत्ते गिरना. हाइट, ताकत. स्ट्रेंथ, पावर. प्रेज, तारीफ करना. विंट्री, ठंडी. सेंग, गाना गाया. स्वीटली, अच्छी आवाज में, मीठी आवाज में, प्यारी आवाज में. स्वीटली, प्यारी आवाज में. ब्राइट, रोशन. समर, गर्मी. ऑटम, खिजां. विंटर, सर्दी. स्प्रिंग, बहार. वेदर, मौसम. वेदर का वर्ड भी हम मौसम के लिए यूज करते हैं और सीजन का वर्ड भी मौसम के लिए यूज करते हैं. बट द डिफरेंस इज सीजन इज यूज फॉर द होल सीजन, मीन विंटर सीजन, summer, spring, autumn, and the weather is used on daily basis. Today is sunny, cloudy, or rainy, so we can call it weather. Somebody, कोई या कोई शख्स. Keep on, जारी रखना, अपना काम जारी रखना. Carry on, keep on. Singing, गाने गाना. Throw, खेजरिए, पूरा, तमाम. Singing, गाने गाना. Throw, खेजरिए, पूरा, तमाम. Through the year. Always, हमेशा. Go, जाना. Words to know. Autumn, the season before winter, when leaves fall from the trees. Autumn, खिजां है. Might, strength. Might, ताकत. Strength, power. Praise, तारीफ करना. Appreciate. Offer thanks through worship, या शुक्र अदा करना through worship. Wintry, ठंडी. Cold, like winter season. Robin sang sweetly when the days were bright. Thanks for summer, he sang with all his might. Robin sang sweetly in the autumn days. There are fruits for everyone, let all give praise. In the cold and wintry weather, still hear his song. Somebody must sing, said Robin. Our winter will seem long. When the spring came back again, he sang, I told you so. Keep on singing through the winter, it will always go. Let's know the Urdu translation. Robin sang sweetly when the days were bright. जब दिन चढ़ जाता है तो रोबन अपनी मीठी आवाज में गाना गाने लग जाता है. Thanks for summer, he sang with all his might. वो गर्मी के मौसम में भी अल्लाह का शुक्र अदा करता है और फिर अपनी पूरी ताकत के साथ, अपनी पूरी स्ट्रेंथ के साथ, पावर के साथ वो गाता है. Robin sang sweetly in the autumn days. रोबन खिजां के दिनों में भी अपनी मीठी आवाज में गाना गाता है. There are fruits for everyone, let all give praise. रोबन कहता है तो क्या हुआ अगर ऑटम आ गया है. रोबन खिजां के मौसम में भी अपनी मीठी आवाज में गाना गाता है और अल्लाह की तारीफ बयान करता है और कहता है तो क्या हुआ अगर पत्ते नहीं है, खिजां का मौसम है. There are fruits for everyone, यहाँ फल हैं सबके लिए, हर किसी के लिए फल तो मौजूद हैं. Let all give praise, हम सबको अल्लाह का शुक्र अदा करना चाहिए. प्रेज, तारीफ करनी चाहिए. Let in the cold and wintry weather still hear his song. In the cold and wintry weather still hear his song. सर्द और ठंडे मौसम में भी हम रोबन की आवाज़ सुन सकते हैं जबकि सारे परिंदे अपने अपने घोंसलों में छुप जाते हैं. Somebody must sing, said Robin, or winter will seem long. कहता है किसी एक, सब अपने घोंसलों में चले जाते हैं, कोई परिंदा बाहर नहीं होता, बहुत खामोशी होती है, उदासी होती है. Somebody must sing, किसी एक को तो गाना चाहिए. Said Robin, our winter will seem long, क्योंकि सर्दी बहुत ज़्यादा लंबी लगने लग जाती है, सर्दी के दिन बहुत ज़्यादा लंबे होते हैं. When the spring came back again, और जब फिर दोबारा इन सब सीजन्स के बाद, समर, ऑटम, विंटर के बाद स्प्रिंग दोबारा वापस आता है. ही सेइंग, आई टोल्ड यू सो, वो गाता है कि मैं कहता था. कीप ऑन सिंगिंग थ्रू द विंटर, में कहता था कि पूरे विंटर में गाते रहो, इट विल ऑलवेज गो, क्योंकि ये हमेशा के लिए नहीं रहेगा विंटर। विंटर क्योंकि उसमें लॉन्ग डेज होते हैं, तो इसलिए कहता है, विंटर में कहता था कि विंटर में भी गाते रहो, इट विल ऑलवेज गो, ये हमेशा नहीं रहेगा, ये चला जाएगा। एंड वी कैन आल्सो टेक अ मीनिंग, अनदर मीनिंग फ्रॉम हियर, इट विल ऑलवेज गो, कि ये सारा सिस्टम, ये सारा साइकिल चलता रहता है। देखते हैं कि बुरे दिन, डिफ़िकल्ट टाइम, टफ टाइम लाइफ में हमेशा नहीं रहते, वो चले जाते हैं, और फिर इजी टाइम, स्प्रिंग टाइम ज़रूर वापस आता है। द राइटर ऑफ दिस पोएम इज एनोनिमस। एनोनिमस मीन वो राइटर जिसके बारे में हमें ना पता हो। सो हेयर वी कैन से दैट रॉबिन इज अ वेरी होपफुल एंड ऑप्टिमिस्टिक एंड वेरी पॉजिटिव बर्ड who talks about positivity, who teaches us that we should thanks to Allah at every time, enjoy the happiness of life. We should never sad and be hopeful, and we should thanks to Allah for all his blessings. So if we talk about the Robin, Robin loves to sing all the time and throughout the year with all his power, with all his strength, and he is very optimistic and positive. First he talks about summer season, that days are bright in summer एंड वी शुड थैंक्स अल्लाह, और वो अपनी पूरी माइट के साथ, पूरी स्ट्रेंथ के साथ उसमें अल्लाह का शुक्र अदा करता है। देन ही टॉक्स अबाउट द ऑटम सीज़न। ऑटम सीज़न के बारे में कहता है कि अगर दरख्तों के साथ पत्ते नहीं हैं, गिर रहे हैं, तो कोई मुश्किल बात नहीं है, क्योंकि फ्रूट्स तो हमारे लिए हैं। सो वी कैन टेक द मीनिंग, वी कैन टेक मीनिंग्स ओवर हेयर, देयर इज़ नो गुड टाइम फॉर टुडे, इट मस्ट कम टुमारो। If we don't have one thing, we should never lose hope, because we have so many other things that we should feel and enjoy them. And in winter, he also sings when all the birds are hide in their nest. So it will be very boring, and that no one is singing. There is somebody who must be sing. He is talking about the spring season, that to sing all the time, who enjoys every season, every moment of life. He teach everyone to enjoy every moment of life. And he also teaches us to ignore the negativity in our life. One day the bad time will pass on soon, and the good days will come. So we must be hopeful and positive. And we have to do exercise today. Understand the poem, answer the following question. What are the four seasons? Four seasons are summer, autumn, winter, spring. When does Robin sings with all his might? There are two answers for this question. In summer, Robin sings with all his might, and we also can say because he sings throughout the year. In all four seasons, Robin sings with all his might. But the best option is in summer, Robin sings with all his might. What does Robin say about autumn? Autumn के मतलब खिज़ां के मतलब Robin क्या कहता है? In autumn, Robin says there are fruits for everyone, so we should be thankful to Allah. Another answer for this question, in autumn there are fruits, so we should all give praise to Allah. When can we still hear Robin's song? वो कौन सा मौसम है जिसमें कोई भी परिंदा नहीं गा रहा होता, लेकिन फिर भी हम रॉबिन के सॉन्ग सुन रहे हो? So here, in the cold and wintry weather, still hear his song. There are many answers for this question. In cold and wintry weather, we can still hear Robin's song. In winter, all birds are in their nests, but we only can hear Robin's song. In cold and wintry weather, we can still hear Robin's song while other birds are in their nests. Number E. What does Robin say in the spring? बहार में Robin क्या कहता है? In spring, Robin says that if you keep on singing throughout the winter, then you can do it always. Because in winter there are so tough days, so long days when other birds are in their nests. These questions are more difficult. Discuss them first. Do you think Robin is a happy bird? Why? So, in answer we can say yes, Robin is a happy bird. And why? Why is he a happy bird? He sings throughout the year. Robin is a happy bird because he sings throughout the year. Which of the following words best describe Robin? Say why. Careful, clever, hopeful, sorrowful. So, answer is hopeful. Robin thanks to Allah for his blessings by singing throughout the year, and even he sings in the long days of winter. Tick and cross, true and false. Robin sings sweetly throughout the year. Yes. Robin sang with all his might in winter. No. Robin sang with all his might in summer. Point there is in summer. In this poem there is summer. Robin says we should all give praise in the spring. No. Robin says we should all give praise in throughout the year. Robin stopped in the winter. Robin stopped singing in the winter. Robin stopped singing in the cold winter. Cross. Summer comes immediately after autumn. Cross. Summer comes immediately after spring. Not autumn. Answer the question about these two lines taken from the poem. In the cold and wintry weather, still hear his song. Who is singing? Robin. What does the word still tell us about the singer? The word still tells us about the singer that he is hopeful. Why he is hopeful? Because when no one is there for singing, so still somebody should be there. Somebody still there is a bird, Robin, who is singing over there. What reasons does singer give for singing during the winter? Or who is singer over in this poem? The bird Robin is singer. So what reason does singer give? कौन सी वजूहात जो रॉबिन ने दी for singing during the winter? विंटर में गाने के लिए उसने ये वजह दी no one sings in winter so somebody must sing because it seems so boring. All creatures and birds are hide, so no one is there for singing. Somebody must sing. Working with words. Write the opposites for these. Never, ever. No one, everyone. Slowly, quickly, slowly. Like, disliked, friend, foe, or enemy. Foe, foe, or enemy. Enemy, enemy. Went, come, go, foolish, wise. Went, came. Match the following. As dry as a bone. There is a comparison. We compare one thing with another. As dry as bone. हम किसी चीज़ की ड्राइनेस के बारे में खुश्की के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं कि वो इतनी खुश्क है जितनी की बोन जितनी एक हड्डी खुश्क होती है बिकॉज बोन इज़ अ ड्राई थिंग सो एज डार्क एज नाइट इतना तारीक जितनी के रात एज डार्क एज नाइट इतना तारीक जितनी के रात एज गुड एज गोल्ड इतना अच्छा जितना कि सोना बिकॉज गोल्ड एवरी वन लाइक्स गोल्ड एज स्वीट एज हनी इतना मीठा जितना कि शहद एज हार्ड वर्किंग एज अ डंकी इतना मेहनती जितना कि एक डंकी इज अ हार्ड वर्किंग एनिमल ही कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस इन योर ओन वर्ड्स Robin, so we have to see the tense in this sentence and we also write in the same sentence here. Robin sings sweetly when Robin बहुत मीठी आवाज़ में गाता है when the days were bright. When autumn comes, summer goes. जब autumn आता है तो summer चला जाता है. Comes, goes. I shall go when the bus will come. मैं जाऊँगा जब बस आएगी. I shall go. So we use the same future tense in here. We use the same future tense here. I shall go when the bus will come. When he returns, he takes rest. Find the rhyming words from these words. Neatly, sweetly. Roots, fruits. leather, weather, banks, thanks, rolled, cold, bore, far, light, bright, dream, seem, leap, keep, haze, days, few, throw, fair, hair. Which season do you like the best? Write about it and draw a picture. You have to draw a picture and write some few sentences about it.